Are you ready to start earning some extra cash? Today we're going to talk about how you can make your first $1,000 using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you with anything from writing an essay to finding a recipe for dinner. But did you know that you can also make money with ChatGPT? Here are 6 different ways to get started. First way, offer freelance writing and editing services. If you're a skilled writer or editor, you can offer your services on ChatGPT. Help people with their essays, articles, or even emails. Make sure to create a profile that highlights your experience and skills, and set your rates accordingly. Second way, create ChatGPT tutorials and videos. Are you an expert on using ChatGPT? Create helpful tutorials to teach others how to get the most out of the platform. You can also make informative videos that people will pay to watch. Third way, offer transcription and translation services. If you're fluent in multiple languages or a fast typer, then you can offer transcription or translation services on ChatGPT. Many people need short audio or video files transcribed, and there's always a demand for translations. Fourth way, market research. Businesses are always looking for feedback on their products and services. ChatGPT can help companies conduct market research by reaching out to potential customers. You can participate in these surveys and earn money for your feedback. Fifth way, offer graphic design or video editing services. If you have skills in graphic design or video editing, you can offer your services to clients on ChatGPT. Whether it's creating graphics for social media or editing a YouTube video, there's always a need for these services. Sixth way, offer virtual assistant services. If you're organized and great at multitasking, you can offer virtual assistant services to clients on ChatGPT. Respond to emails, schedule appointments, and manage tasks for others who need help staying on top of their responsibilities. Conclusion. There you have it, 6 different ways to make your first $1,000 on ChatGPT. Whether you're a skilled writer, designer, or virtual assistant, there's always a way you can put your talents to use and earn some extra cash. So, gentlemen, take advantage of this great opportunity and start earning today. Reply forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.